Hello students, today we are going to start our chapter 3rd, Voices of Exploration. First of all, we have to understand what is the meaning of voices. Voice means journey by sea and exploration means find new place, unknown place or searching a new place. It is called exploration. Searching new things it is called. Okay. When these voices are exploration, means exploration, when was this started? When Mughal ruler started ruling in India, and that time Europeans started going to a long journey by sea and find new land. Okay, Europeans started first this long journey by sea route, and the voyages were dangerous and expensive. These voyages and journey by sea, it is very dangerous and expensive. But some people love adventure, that they would do adventures, and some other believed they would find new land for full of riches. Yet others search a new routes. That time, some peoples, some Europeans search a new sea routes, and that would take them what was called, and they called that the Indies या East Indies. क्या उन्होंने से नया नाम दिया? East Indies या Indies. From there, East Indies means Europeans are searching new place, that is called East Indies, and from there Europeans व्यापारी जो थे, European merchants could bring spices and other valuable item of trade. This was necessary. Because Turkish ruler called Ottomans had closed the land routes. That's why they started a new route, sea route. Okay, used by European merchant to travel to Asia. Okay, many of voyages to find new trade routes, and many of voyages find new trade routes were made on behalf of country and paid for by its ruler. When voyagers find new place behalf of their country and paid for by its ruler. The rulers of Portugal and Spain were the first to send sailors on voyages. Now we will learn three famous explorers whose voyages found unknown lands and new sea routes. And first of all, we learn about Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus is from Geneva now in Italy. Okay, he was most famous explorer of all time. He believed that Earth is round, and he would reach the East Indies by sea by sailing west from Europe. He would reach the East Indies by sail west from Europe. But he didn't know on this route he found new land called America. Okay, he found new land called America. But that place, America, was unknown by Europeans. Okay, with the support of Spanish ruler means support to the Christopher Columbus, with the support of Spanish ruler, set sail on 1492, and he has reached the island Bahamas. वो कहाँ पहुँचा? Bahamas पहुँचा on 1492, and he thought he had reached the Indies. उसने सोचा कि मैंने इंडिया की खोज की है. ओके, बहामास जहाँ पे वो पहुँच चुका था, उसे लगा कि वो इंडिया की खोज कर चुका है. बट लेटर द बहामास एंड नियर बाय आइलैंड वेर कॉल्ड वेस्ट इंडीज. These places are called now West Indies. After the finding new places, America and West Indies, Columbus made 3 voyages again after that. But he never knew that he had discovered new land. उसे अभी तक पता नहीं था कि उसने नई जगह की खोज की है, बिकॉज ही बिलीव्ड अंटिल हिज डेथ दैट ही हैड बिन टू एशिया। और उसे अपने मरने तक लगा था कि उसने एशिया की खोज की है, ओके, इंडिया की खोज की है। बट द लेटर दैट द अननोन लैंड इज नोन एज न्यू वर्ल्ड कॉल्ड अमेरिका and the West Indies. Now we have finished this topic. Thank you.